The Nissan Pathfinder, particularly models from 2022 onwards, comes equipped with a remote start feature on most trims via the intelligent key system. This allows you to start your engine from a distance, preheating or cooling the cabin for optimal comfort. This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to use this convenient feature effectively. The remote start function is controlled by a push-button system on your Pathfinder's intelligent key fob. The key fob must be within a range of up to 300 feet from the vehicle. Make sure the vehicle is in park, all doors are locked, and the engine hood is securely closed for the system to function correctly. To activate remote start, first, press the lock button, which looks like a padlock icon on your key fob. Within 5 seconds of pressing the lock button, press and hold the remote start button, which has a circular arrow icon, for 2 to 3 seconds. The hazard lights will flash twice to indicate successful activation. The engine will then run for approximately 10 minutes. To extend the runtime of the remote start, simply repeat the activation process. First, press the lock button on your key fob. Then within 5 seconds, press and hold the remote start button for at least 2 to 3 seconds. The hazards will flash twice to confirm. Note that you can only extend the runtime one time. To stop the engine remotely, press the stop button on your key fob. The engine will shut off immediately. The remote start system includes several safety features. It monitors for issues like low oil levels or open doors, automatically shutting down the engine if any problems are detected. The system is only available on Pathfinder models with automatic transmissions to prevent rollaway risks. Nissan's My Nissan app, version 5.0 and higher, provides an alternative way to remote start your Pathfinder. The app allows you to start your vehicle from virtually anywhere using just your smartphone and a cellular connection. Through the app interface, you can access remote start controls alongside other vehicle features like locking, unlocking, and climate control. The app also includes geofencing capabilities. This feature automatically starts your vehicle when you approach home, helping to reduce cabin chill time in cold weather. This makes the My Nissan app a convenient companion to your key fob for everyday remote start needs. If remote start isn't working, first ensure your vehicle is properly locked and the hood is closed. The system requires all doors locked and hood fully shut for safety. Next, check the key fob battery. A weak battery can prevent the signal from reaching the vehicle. Replace it if the fob seems unresponsive. Also, verify if remote start is disabled in your region due to emissions regulations. Some states require manual activation at a Nissan dealership. Finally, make sure your fuel level is adequate. The remote start system won't activate if the tank is too low. Check the fuel gauge on your dashboard. Nissan is continuously improving remote start functionality. Future updates may include enhanced app features, smart home device integration like Amazon Alexa, and improved cybersecurity measures. Stay tuned for potential over-the-air software updates for your key fob to enhance reliability and battery life. Also expect future versions to have biometric authentication for enhanced security.